About rest. Rest is not just idleness. It's a crucial part of life that helps us restore our energy and improve our well-being. There are many different types of rest, and everyone can find what suits them best. Types of rest. Active rest involves physical activity like hiking, cycling, swimming, playing sports, or dancing. This type of rest is great for those who want to energize themselves and improve their health. Passive rest is about relaxation, reading a book, watching a movie, meditating, sleeping, or taking a walk in the park. It helps relieve stress and calm the nervous system. Creative rest allows you to express creativity, painting, playing a musical instrument, writing poetry or stories, or cooking. This type of rest helps develop new skills and brings joy from the process of creating. Social rest is time spent with loved ones, meeting friends, having family dinners, or going on trips together. Connecting with people you care about helps you feel a sense of belonging and provides emotional support. Why rest is so important. Restores energy. Rest helps the body recover from physical and mental strain. Improves mood. Proper rest reduces stress and anxiety, improving your mood and overall sense of well-being. Boosts productivity. A well-rested person is more focused and effective at work and in their studies. Prevents burnout. Regular rest prevents emotional and professional burnout. How do you like to rest? Perhaps you have some favorite ways you'd like to share.